Hello everybody. Continuation to our previous video. So third question in exercise 1.1. Fourth question, sorry. Use division algorithm to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Cube of any positive integer. Cube of any positive integer. So let a be any positive integer. Let a be any positive integer. And here what is the value of b? Here the value of b is 9. The value of b is 9. By using EDL, what is EDL? A equal to b cube plus r. A equal to b cube plus r. Where r is lies between 0 and b. So the value of b is 9. R lies between 0 and 9. So what are the values of r? R takes the values less than 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. R takes the values from 0 to 8. So first one, if r equal to 0, if r is equal to 0. So what is EDL? A equal to b cube plus r. B value is 9 cube plus r value is 0. So what is 9 cube plus 0? 9 cube plus 0 is 9 cube. But according to the question, we have to find out cube of any positive integers. So let me do cubing on both sides. So that is a cube equal to 9 cube whole cube. A cube equal to 9 cube whole cube. So that is a cube equal to 9 cube. 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 8s are 72. So that is 729 cube. 729 cube. So this 729 cube, as per my convenience, I can also write it as, I can take 9 as common. 9 how much is 729? 9 81 is 729. So 9 if I take common, I will get 81 cube. Right? So this 81 cube, I can write it as a cube equal to, I can consider as integer m. So see, when I substitute r equal to 0, I got which is in the form of cube of positive integer is of the form 9m. See, I got 9m here. If r equal to 0, cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m. Now suppose if I take r equal to 1, I got r. We got at r equal to 0. Now let us find out at r equal to 1. If r equal to 1, what is EDL? A equal to b cube plus r. 9 cube plus 1. Again cubing on both sides. So a cube equal to 9 cube plus 1 whole cube. 9 cube plus 1 whole cube. So what is the formula of a plus b whole cube? We have the formula of a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So what is the formula of a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. See, which is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Here the value of a is 9 cube, value of b is 1. So a cube equal to a value 9 cube whole cube plus b cube. What is the value of b cube? B value 1 cube plus 3 as it is ab and b equal to 1, bracket open, a value 9 cube plus b value is 1. So a cube equal to 9 cube. 9 cube, as we know, 729. 729 q cube plus 1 cube value 1 plus 3 9 are 27. 27 1 are 27 cube into 9 cube plus 1. Okay, so a cube equal to 729 q cube plus 1 plus 27 q into 9. Let me multiply 27 into 9. 27 into 9, 9 7 is 63, 9 2 are 18 plus 6, 243. 243, again 2 into q square plus again 27 q into 1, which is equal to 27 q. Okay, let us rearrange the terms. Let us write in standard form. So first of all, let me write 729 q cube, then 243 q square, then 27 q, then 1. See, from these three terms, I can take 9 as common. If I take 9 as common, 9 how much is 729? 9 81 ja. 9 how much is 243? 9 27 ja. And 9 how much is 27? 9 3 ja plus 1. So what is this? This is our value of m. So a cube equal to 9m plus 1. See, we got second one. When I substitute r equal to 1, I got a cube equal to 9m plus 1. Okay. Similarly, when I substitute r equal to 2, I will get 9m plus 8. Let me do it. I don't have place, so that I will rub it. Now third case, if r equal to 2, so Euclidean lemma is a equal to b cube plus r, 9q plus 2. Again cubing on both sides. So a cube equal to 9q plus 2 whole cube. 9q plus 2 whole cube. So a plus b whole cube formula. A cube equal to 9q whole cube plus b cube 2 cube plus 3ab, 3 into 9q into 2 into 9q plus 2. 3ab into a plus b. Okay, so a cube equal to 9 cube, which is 729 q cube, 2 cube 8, 3 9 are 27, 27 2s are 54 cube into 9 cube plus 2. So a cube equal to 729 q cube plus 8 plus 54 into 9. Multiply 54 into 9. 9 4 are 36. 9 5 are 45 plus 3, 48. 486 q into q square plus 54 q into 2, that is 108 q. Okay, let me write in standard form. So a cube equal to 729 q cube, then 486 q square, then 108 q, then 8. Now among these three terms, I can take it 9 as common. 981 ja 9 how much ja 486 954 ja 9 how much ja 108 9 12 ja 108 plus 8. Okay, let me consider this as m. So a cube equal to 9m plus 8. You can see here we got 9m plus 8. So therefore the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, which is also important. 4 mark question, it carries 4 marks, also important question, right? Thank you.